This video will show you what to do if the new Outlook app is not showing or opening attachments. So to fix this, first click on this gear icon at the top. Now in the Outlook settings window, search for attachment. Now click on this inline attachment previews option. Now here make sure that you have selected show attachments in message list option. After that, restart the Outlook app and see if the issue is resolved. However, if you still experience problems, head to the search menu and then type in Outlook. Now here you should see your new Outlook app. Make sure you don't right click on the Outlook Classics. So right click on the new Outlook app and then select app settings. Now here you will need to scroll down and first click on this terminate option. After that, click on this repair option. Now simply wait for the process to complete. Once you see this checkbox, open the Outlook app and see if the issue is resolved. If you still experience problems, click on this reset option instead. This will reset the Outlook app and hopefully fix your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.